Welcome to Zero X Nephew. If you haven't yet, hit that like button. You got to do that right now. Right now. All right. So that'll help me with this channel because I'm trying to help promote as much Web3 content and crypto content to help you guys learn all the basics about cryptocurrency so you'll be able to invest in cryptocurrencies going forward. So any support from you will be greatly appreciated. But in this video, I got something super dope for you. All right. So in this video, we're going to be talking about a resource that you may not have heard of yet, but it's a great resource for cryptocurrency and research. I'm going to show you exactly how to use it, and it should help you when it comes to researching for your investments in cryptocurrency. This resource is called Lunarcrush. So I'm going to leave a link in the description how you can get the Lunarcrush. It's free to use. There are some premium services, but it's basically free. So let's go through how to use Lunarcrush and what it is, and I'll give you my take on it. So basically, here's Lunarcrush. Lunarcrush is this analytics. It has a lot of analytics and different information that you will be needing to help you make good decisions in the cryptocurrencies going forward. So even just like we just came on here right now, you can see top 10 cryptocurrencies. So let's view those. So which are those? And these are the top cryptocurrencies with leading social mentions in the last 10 minutes. What's great about this platform is that it measures what it calls grade, or what's good about cryptocurrency is being measured by social interaction on social media. So it can tell you what people are actually talking about, which is pretty dope. So people are talking about Bonk right now, which is the top one, Bitcoin, there's Uniswap, then there's Ethereum, then there's Solana, and so on and so forth. All right, so let's go ahead and check out what all you can do in here. You got different cryptocurrencies, charts. So here's a cryptocurrency chart. You obviously could create watch lists, all right? And you could, see what all they have. They have them ranked. When you pay for the premium service, you'll be able to see the alt rank and the galaxy rank. But you can see the social mentions, social engagements. So this is pretty cool because you can see that Bitcoin's got 56,000 social mentions. Ethereum's got 40,000 social mentions, which is way higher than these other coins. So that means that the 10,000 social mentions for Dogecoin, which means that there's 4 times more people talking about Ethereum and 5 times, almost 6 times more talking about Bitcoin. Social engagements, you got 225 million engagements. This would include your likes and retweets for Bitcoin related topics. 82,000 for those. Dogecoin's got like 16 million. Binance USD's only got 1.6. You can see like this coin called Liquid Staked Ether only got 190,000, which is still a lot, but just goes to show you, you got certain coins where you can't see what they have or how many they have. That doesn't make them a bad coin. It just means that not too many people are talking about it, or they're not tracking it, or they just haven't registered the coin. All right, so let's also look at, you can see global coin metrics. You can see all types of, which ones the best price gainers in recent times. You can see, top mentions. It shows you that. So you got a lot of different things. You can also see who's talking about what. You can see actually their Twitter names, coffee breaks, CoffeeZilla. You can see what they're talking about. Let's go ahead and check out also the fact that you can check out the crypto exchanges. So you can see that the crypto exchanges are ranked here. Binance being number 1, Coinbase, then OKX. This is by volume, and so you can see the volume, and it goes down from there. Kraken, you got KuCoin, Bybit, moving your way down. So this is to help you decide, which exchange you want to use, or if you just want to see, which exchange has a lot of volume. Okay, so the other thing is you can see crypto influencers. This is super dope. Crypto influencers helps you to determine, who's talking about what, who, where, why, when. So you got Cointelegraph, you got your news, you got your altcoin daily. These guys are ranked number 10 as far as social media influencers. It's crazy. I have to actually change my name on here because it's got me as Black Buffett on here, but I'm no longer Black Buffett, so I actually have to change that. But you got your different ones, and I think that's pretty cool. I'm gonna actually change that at some point. So you can see who's talking about what, where. Watcher Guru is pretty big. and you can see like what they talk about. You can see their posts, their engagements. So this is pretty, like I said, it breaks down a lot of different things. You got NFTs, you got your list of NFTs ranked, you know, Bored Ape Yacht Club, CryptoPunks, and ENS. And then you have NFT influencers, so you can see who talks about what. And here, these might even be actual NFT pages. You can see the engagement dropped. You can see all the different analytics. There's so much analytics in here. Then they also have stocks, guys. So you can check out your stocks, Apple, you know, different influencers that talk about stocks as well. Stock influencers. I think this is such a great like tool to be able to check and see who's talking about what, where, when, why, how. And also you can get your insights from here, stock insights. And another thing that's really cool is the fact that you can create a portfolio and show like, you know, how many coins you have. You can build your portfolio so you can keep track of it. So this is a great thing if you want to keep track of your portfolio, the performance of your portfolio, things like that. So I think using this tool will be very helpful. Like right now, Bonk is popping. This is like a really top coin. You can see the price is up 1,000%. You can see the volume is up 521%. You can see that influencer Angelio has been talking about it. Shilling Villain's been talking about it. He follows me on Twitter. This guy's pretty cool. So like if we click him, we could see Shilling Villain is like number 174 on the list of people who talk about cryptocurrencies, and basically not just cryptocurrencies but NFTs and just everything. And so yeah, he posts, he gets a certain amount of likes, a certain amount of comments. You can see all his posts and all his engagements. This helps you to realize like, all right, what are people being influenced by? What does he even mention? He mentions Solana more often than none. He talks about Solana, he talks about Bonk more than he talks about Ethereum, ApeCoin, and other coins. All right, so he talks about different things. You can see how many followers he's got. This helps you to be able to determine which coins are being talked about in the market, so you can kind of make a guesstimate of, you know, what actual projects are good in the space. You know what I mean? So I think that's really important. Sorry, I was in the wrong account, so that didn't really help us none. But yeah, so yeah, Shilling Villain's a cool dude. He's got almost 100,000 followers. So you can see it's accurate. It's telling you he's got 900 likes. He's got 83 retweets. It's reaching a decent amount of people talking about this project. So, I mean, like I said, this is a great tool to at least be able to see what everyone's talking about, how it actually correlates to the actual project's success. And you got filters in here. You can set different filters. Oh, you had to upgrade for that. My bad. But yeah, it's like I said, I'm trying to use all the insights and stuff. So they got different stuff in here. But yep. Anyway, this is a great tool to use. Like I said, it's free. Add this one to your list. There's gonna be more videos coming out, more things you can look at. This is just a great place to see everything all in one time. And like I said, you can see who's talking about what. You can follow guys and stuff. Like it'd be nice. So let's say for instance you are into this Aave token, right? And you wanna know who's talking about it the most. So what you could do is you could follow, you know, the top 20 people who talk about it the most. So Rec Capital talks about it. DeFi made it here. Grayscale. These are the top 5, right? So let's say if I want, I could check them out, see what they talk about. These guys talk about Bitcoin the most. They're number 18 overall. So that's pretty good. They're like one of the top influencers are talking about that project. So you can see that. These guys aren't that big, but it's okay. Let's check them out. And DeFi made here. Let's check this one out. So going back to this profile, you can see Rec Capital. I don't follow them. Not yet, but I will. They got 335,000 followers, and they talk about Aave a lot. Now, they talk about Bitcoin the most, but then they bring up Aave. You can go check out what they said about Aave. Same thing with this guy, full-time trader, Wall Street, New York. So this helps you to see who is actually talking about projects, who's promoting different things, what they're saying about things, and you can scroll through and check them out. And these are like I said, great resources to figure out who you should be following on social media to, you know, have them talking about the projects you love. You know what I mean? So if you're into a particular project and you don't know who to follow, then this is a great tool for you to use for that, even just so you can have, you know, have the right influence. You can be seeing people talking about the right stuff. If it's XRP, people are talking about XRP. We know who's talking about that. You got your top, you got all your top people here to follow, so you can stay informed about what's going on, and turn your notifications on. They're gonna most likely talk about XRP more than likely. This guy right here, this one's 282. He talks 76% about XRP, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. So in this case, I would love to follow this guy if I was into XRP, Ethereum, and Bitcoin, simply because he's going to be talking about the projects that I'm into. And that's going to be great for me because I'm going to get insights from him. And I'll be able to read his posts and see what he's talking about. So if he's ever talking about cryptocurrency, he's talking about those ones. So it's pretty good. Like I said, that's a great, it says he's a digital asset investor. So I don't know, but that's pretty good, man. Like I said, it's really helpful for anybody doing any kind of crypto research to check out the social impact of the social media and also the coin. You want to see what social impact it has, so you can make sure that you're not buying into like a dead project. All right. So anyway, I hope this video was helpful. By the way, Lunarcrush is great. If you already have an NFT project or a crypto project, you can also sign up with Lunarcrush and register your coins and register your NFTs here to actually have them listed. Like I have our project called Exotic is actually listed here as well. So Exotic Metaverse is actually on here. Right now I have to have it, you know, updated, but basically it's on here and kind of gives you insight on the project itself. It's not, I don't know, I guess I haven't updated in a while, so I don't know what it's talking about, but you know, it's been a while since I updated, but I have to get back on here and update it. So anyway, hope this video was helpful for you guys. Talk to you guys later. Peace.